There's the archaeologist's office. We need his permission in order to go to the dig site. Come on, let's go!
How can I help you?
We need your permission to go to the dig site.
Okay, well let me check and see if you're on the list. What are your names?
Jasmyn, Janaia, and Jordon.
I don't see your names on there, but I'll tell you what, I'll give you... Alright, take this to the front office and they'll give you the location.
Thank you.
Yes, I will definitely have that for you by tomorrow. Okay, bye. Come in. Hi, how can I help you?
Dr. Stone told us to give this to you.
Okay, did you register?
No.
Oh, you didn't? Okay, so you're going to have to wait in the lobby and I have to bring you like a lot of paperwork. Are you ready to fill that out?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go in the lobby.
Why is this drawer open? It's probably nothing. What's in here? A scroll? Whoever finds this note, Earth depends on you. There are 11 gemstones hidden in the Discovery Gemstones Dig STEM kit. If the gems are not found, the Earth will start shaking and crumble. It is up to you to save the planet. There's another paper. This is probably fake. You know how people like joking. It's gonna be earthquake? No, it could be fake. Let's see. A map? Looks like it goes outside. Let's just go see what it leads to.
The Earth is going to crumble, but I didn't even get my candy yet.
I don't even think this is real. You'll still get your candy. But let's just see if there's actually treasure. Come on, guys, let's go.
Discovery Dig. And there are 11 gemstones in each one.
Each box also comes with protective goggles, a street plate, a wooden mallet, a brush, magnifying glass, a wooden chisel, and of course the brick that has all the gemstones in it. So let's hurry up and do this so the earth doesn't crumble.
3, 2, 1.
No, you didn't. I found one.
Is it green?
No. I don't know.
Gotta keep on digging until I can get it out. Oh, really? That's a dead star. Oh, I found two!
No.
One clear.
Ooh, I think I found two.
I found three! Wait, did I? Yeah! I found three!
I found three, I think. I found three, I think. I just saw a beautiful one, I think. It is. I found four. Look, a clear one. Whatever it's called.
Please get it out! Just gonna use this. No, that won't work. Let me just... Come on.
Is it Oh no! How did she get herself?
Where's the
You
third
know
one?
what? Chisel away.
Ooh. I got this one out!
Oh gosh.
There's 11, guys. And I already has 2.
I can still catch up.
I found two more! I found two more!
I got the clear one out.
I found 3!
The clear one's so pretty.
Jordon did the color test.
I found 4!
What that is, it's a street plate, and
You're
what you
helping
do with
Jasmine. You can't help
it is it tells you the true color of it, because the outside may not be the true color of it. How it looks like on the outside. Chisel. I keep hammering my knuckle. Got the blue one out. It's tied.
2 and 2.
Oh no!
It's all tied up.
I gotta get this one out. This one too.
Gotta get this one out. Oh! Almost there for the other one, guys. Just. Oh, I got this one out.
No!
Jasmine now has taken the lead.
Oh,
She
that
has 3, Naya has 2.
But I found like 4 of them.
So have I. She has found a lot. Oh no. I gotta look for some more.
It's got to come out.
Found way more. But I gotta work on the one I found.
I'm not gonna chisel until the end.
Guys, I am so close to getting this one out. Well, not like so close, but I'm close. I think I could actually be in the lead by 2.
I just directly got this one.
Oh, I could get it out.
Take the corner. Oh, I think I found it. I found another one.
You found it, but you didn't get it out. I could get this out. Just need a chisel. Okay, don't hammer my. No, it's tied.
All tied. 3 apiece.
Oh no, got a chisel.
No. Oh my God!
No.
Naya takes the lead again.
I think come on up.
I got another one.
What? You know what? I'm gonna start the other ones.
Ooh, I got another one.
Janaia.
That's not one.
Yes, it is.
What? I'm almost there for 2 of them. Oh, come on.
Hammer!
Come on. Oh.
No, she got
Got
one out.
it out. Now this
Jasmine's
one's
catching
good.
up. Naya still has 1 more.
I have 3 more.
And Jordan's doing the streak test.
I found a pink one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, she's winning by 2. But I almost got this one.
Oh no!
There's a low way.
That was so close.
It might be tied. How much do I have, Jordon?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's tied.
Chisel, chisel. I can't even get this one. Ow! Okay!
I think you can get that one out. Because Janaia's in the lead. She just got one. We go like a...
I got another one out.
No.
Right now, Jasmyn's in the lead.
This one's almost out. Oh, got it out.
Oh, she only has one more. Jasmyn has one more.
No, I don't. She has 2 more.
She has 2 more. How much does she have?
She has 10. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, she has 1 more. Oh, it's right here. The last one's right here. I'm about to be a hero. And the winner of this challenge.
Right. Jordon, help me chisel my plates, whatever it's called.
Your streak. Oh, I got it out. I won. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I won. I won. I won. And we saved the earth.
Okay, guys, so everybody's done. On an archaeological dig, you have to do a streak test, right, Jasmyn?
Yup.
And the streak test tells you the true color of the gem.
Whoa, this one's actually like.
Okay, guys, you guys are streaking. Let's get the archaeologists in to get some more information. Dr. Stone.
Hello. What'd you guys find?
Some gemstones. We kind of saved the earth. I'm a hero to everyone.
I'm the hero because I was the one that told you about it.
Wow. This one is purple, as you can see. Purple.
Well, let's take a look at all of them, guys, since you guys streaked them.
This one's purple.
So I did the streak test, and they're all gems.
The first one is blue agate. We also have a red agate. This one is an alabaster. There's yellow quartz. There is even a clear crystal. We have beryl. We have blue turquoise. We even have a rose crystal. The next one is amethyst. Morganites. And last but not least, we have blue carnelian. Thanks for helping us save the world. I hope you liked this video.
And now I could buy my candy. Maybe I could buy them with these gems.